Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. This is my course about Arabic alphabet, how to write, how to pronounce them correctly. This is Muhammad Osman talking to you, and I am your teacher in this course, inshallah. Before we start, we should talk about some facts about Arabic language. So, first fact. In Arabic, we write from right direction to left direction. Second fact, there is male and there is female. Like, there is he and there is she, but there is no it in Arabic. Third fact, in one word, letters are connected to each other. Like this example. The letters here are separated, but in the above are connected to give you one word. So, they are all of Arabic letters. You can keep in mind to review them from time to time. And now we will start with our first letter, which is Alif. Alif is our first letter, and it's like A in English. Alif contain two parts. The first part above, like that. This part look like number 2 in English, but it is mirror of it, like this. Okay, and the second part is like 1 in English, or a stick standing vertically, like that. Okay, and as we said, Alif is like A in English, so you can easily remember how to write it. Okay, let's see this video. We draw a stick standing and mirror of 2 number of English above it, like that. Okay, so easy. Thank you. So, let's learn a new word in English as we learn it in Arabic, which is I or I am. In English, we will learn it in Arabic. How can we say I or I am? There is 3 letters of this word. The first letter is Alif plus Alif. So, in this word we have 2 Alif. One in the first of the letter, and the second in the end of this letter. And remember that we write from right direction to left direction. So, what's the new letter in the middle between the 2 Alif? It is new letter called Noon, and it's like N in English. How to write it when we connect the letters to each other? So, it's like that. The first letter, Alif. The red letter is Alif here, and the second letter is Noon, like that. We write it in the middle, and in the end we write also Alif, but without the part above it, which we called Hamza. and we now have I or I am in Arabic, which is called أنا. أنا. A, which is alif, and noon, which is na, and the last is a, which is like a in English. So a in a, أنا. أنا. We write and read from right direction to left direction. So a, n, na. A, na. Okay, let's listen to it. أنا. Again. أنا. 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 Okay. So our new letter was noon. We called it noon, but we pronounce it like in English. So let's listen it. Noon. Noon. Okay. Noon is like a dish or half or a circle, and there is a pole above it like that. Noon. You see? Okay. So how to write it? Let's see this video. We draw it under of the line like that, like half of circle, and there is dot above it. Let's see it again. Yes. So this is our letters. We have learned today two letters, which is alif and noon, and we have learned new word which is ana, which contain three letters, alif plus noon plus alif. So how to write this word after we connect the letter together? Let's see the video. Alif and noon and alif, like that. So thank you for our first lesson. Let's talk about our homework. In the word file, you will see the letter alif, for example, in three columns. The first column in the right represent the letter in the beginning of the word, and the letter alif in the middle, presenting the alif in the middle of a word, and the last in the left is the alif in the end of the word. You will write down the letter alif in the three forms, and you should know that every letter, almost, not of all of them, but almost of them have three forms in the beginning and middle and end of the word, and you will write down the letter from above to below like that. You can print it or you can write it in a paper. It's your homework. Do what you want, and the same for noon, the beginning, middle, and end of the word. You should practice to learn. And our last is ana. You should practice to write it as you saw in the video. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.